Alright, just made it to IAA. About to get in here and get my title and everything for it. It's here to pick up 519392. I've been here, but yeah, I've been here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm the owner. Okay, thank you. The second yard is like kind of on the corner? 2 buildings down. Okay. Yeah, because my maps have sent me there. So. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we've got our title here. Little gate release. Out here with the big dogs, the tow truck. Got one over there. So I'm gonna go to their other yard and pick her up.
Filling this out for me right here?
Yep. You don't happen to have a pen, do you? Thank you.
Go on, just follow the red. You'll see the other tow truck parked.
Okay, thank you. So we made it. Just waiting for our car now. So if you got AAA insurance, this is where all their cars go. Car right now. Thank you. There she is, little Hondy. I'll get it loaded up and strapped down and show you guys this thing more once I get home. Yeah, suspension looks good. Might just need some wheels. Alright, locked and loaded. We are out of here. Truck J today. Just checking my connections, making sure we're extra secure. I don't want any fuck ups right now. Get up out of here. Dang, this thing started up, no jump, nothing.
Aboard a Princess Comedy.
Well, this thing seems to not have any suspension damage. So it honestly has no suspension damage. I'm gonna drive it right now and see, but coming off the trailer, everything seemed to be okay. So I think I'm gonna go to pick apart and get some rims for this thing, and rims and a hood, and I should be good. Make sure all the gears shift right now. Shifting fine. The steering's off a little bit just because it has a donut on the front, but yeah, I mean, lucked out with this one. It's good. Quick, easy fix. Put some rims on it. See if I can find the hood. Smog it. Done deal. Got some wheels from Pick Apart, and I got a reel for my other car. Let's start on swapping these out and get this thing cleaned up. Alright, getting a little dark, but quick little turnaround. Still got to pull this dent out as best as I can, and then this thing will be ready for sale. Smog it tomorrow.